just find another wireless hookup. Woohoo!
In a world where connections are key, a dramatic tale unfolds. Our star, the Suave wireless transmitter, has a confession that could change everything.
I've got something to tell you. I'm a transmitter. What? You're what?
But it's not what the cable thinks. Our hero isn't confessing a scandal, but a bond that can't be broken.
It means, my dear Cable, that I'm part of a duo. Without my receiver, I'm just incomplete. Well, maybe I can be your favorite alternative connection.
As the devil tries one more last time to sway our transmitter, the guitar with a spark of wit delivers a line that leaves everyone in stitches. The guitar